Hey guys, this is Will. This is a 1995 Bryant Air Conditioner. This unit has obviously seen better days and is likely going to be replaced later this season. It's been a really great unit though. I think it's on its second compressor in a commercial application here. Currently has a Copeland scroll compressor inside of it. This unit takes after Carrier's Tech 2000 lineup. It has this big service door on the side that technicians love. I believe it's a 3-ton. Liquid and suction line filter dryers. There was another one of these units that was just replaced with a Daikin Fit inverter unit, so I will make another video on. Great unit. Here's the indoor unit. It's a 1995 Carrier 80% furnace. A coil mounted on top. We'll do a startup of the furnace. The inducer motor going. Hot surface igniter is next in the sequence. Not too bad for a 30-year-old unit. Alright, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Out.